they're used to hailing cabs from Uber. Okay, so it's day four of building a six-figure cleaning business. And today we're going to talk about the perfect customer. That's the kind of customer that we wish to attract to our business. The customers that we're going after are definitely the tech-savvy customers. Think about the customers who are used to booking online, making online purchases, they're used to hailing cabs from Uber and things like that. We don't want to target customers who will want to pay us in cash or maybe leave a check in the mail or something like that. We want customers who are used to online booking. They can just go to their phone, look at our services, and then just order a cleaning or something like that. So those are the types of customers that you want to target. And these customers they are very opinionated. Yeah, they are very opinionated. Yeah, so they are very opinionated, and whenever they consume a product or a service, they want to talk about it on social media or on the internet. They'll go on Facebook and leave reviews about businesses that they have interacted with. They're also going to go on Yelp, leave some reviews. And these are also the types of customers who, before signing up for a service, they will usually do some research online to find out about the company, check out what other people are saying about the company and stuff like that. So these are the customers that you want to target. And the way the marketing works with online businesses is we're not going to be spending a ton of money on paid ads, maybe on Facebook or Google ads. Yes, these paid channels have their own role to play in the whole grand scheme of things. But when we're starting out, we're just going to focus mainly on the low-hanging fruits. What I mean is organic reviews on platforms like Yelp and Google My Business and local directories, so things like that. So at the beginning, you're not going to spend a lot of money on ads, but you're going to rely on organic marketing. That's the word of mouth that these customers are going to leave regarding our business. And by that, I mean the reviews that they're going to leave on various platforms where we will have registered our business. So that's the type of customer that we want to target. The reason we want to target these customers is, apart from them just being tech savvy and used to buying things online or paying for things online, we can always get them to our email sequence such that we can upsell them later in future. Or if they happen to stop by our website and they don't convert, we can gather their emails and put them in a sequence and basically just try to entice them to sign up for our services. So that's the type of customer that you want to go after. Yes, once in a while, you might find a customer who comes to the website and saying, your prices are too high, or I'm used to paying this much for cleaning. That's totally fine. Like, it's a free market. If they can't afford our prices, it's fine. There are so many other providers that they can go to. But for us, we know there's a set target customers who will be able to afford our prices. They enjoy the convenience of online booking and just everything being seamlessly handled online. So that's the kind of customer that we'll be targeting with our business. So that's just a quick thing for us to think about on day 4. I know we haven't done much regarding the business, but hopefully from day 5 we'll start going into some hands-on deep dive and start doing stuff to really build the business. So that wraps up day 4, and I'll see you tomorrow, day 5. And if you're enjoying the challenge, just make sure you subscribe to the channel or share the video with someone that might find it helpful. And hopefully by the end of the year, we'll have fully functioning, running business, probably with the first few paying customers. I think right now it's about 42 days to the end of the year. We'll see how things turn out. Cheers.